Chuchinelli moving forward inside. All shot now ready to race. Race number 9, Santana Park. Away they go. Final countdown from the outside. Tempest Bliss on the further outside is Chuchinelli. Moving up by the Rally's Dart sequence together with Cat May, Silver Ridge, Ninang Mill, Tarlac. Rushing up is Idol Borong, number 2 Best Art, entry number 13 Winner Take All Friendly Fire, and number 4 Red Hot Water is running at the tail of the field. Final countdown dart sequence is running by the Tempest Bliss, and as they race the last 650, final countdown dart sequence Tempest Bliss, and racing on the outside is Cat May as they race the last 550. It's now dart sequence Tempest, and on the outside rushing up in between runners is Cat May as they race the final corner. Dart sequence by a length and a half. Tempest is running in second and rushing up by the Rally's Best Art as they race the last 200. Dart sequence by about 2 lengths. Tempest is running in second and nearing the finish line. Dart sequence, Tempest, Silver Ridge, and finally the horse of Mr. Puts Puyat, Dart sequence, winning this race second. Tempest, Silver Ridge, Cat May, Best Art, and Tarlac for your Super 6.